Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to solve password strength. In this we are given a string password and we have to define its strength. Means we have to give the integer based on its strength. The strength is calculated using if the letter is between A to Z, means the lowercase character, and all are distinct, so 1 point, and if there is capital letters then 2 points, and if the number is between 0 to 9 then the 3 points, and 5 points when there is any distinct special character, that is exclamatory mark, @ hash or dollar. So let's write the code. So as we have to return int, so we take a variable which is int and initialize it with 0. Now as the problem suggests that there should be distinct element. So let's think what can be the data structure that we can use for the distinct elements. And yes, we can use unordered set in this. So we use unordered set of type char. Let's name it as unique, and we will loop through the string and simply insert the elements in our unique unordered set. Unique.insert ch. Now as we have inserted the elements in our unordered set, let's iterate over the unordered set and give the point according to the statement. So for char ch, and we have to iterate over the unique and check if ch is greater than equal to small a and ch less than equal to z, which means the letter should be between A to Z. So we will give 1 point. So that will be answer plus 1 equal to 1. Similarly, we write for the uppercase, in which we will give 2 characters points. So that will be A and this will be capital Z, and we have to give 2 points. Similarly, we write for the another statement which is between the 0 and 9. So let's copy and paste and change the condition, in which we take 0 instead of capital A and 9 instead of capital Z, and give 3 points. And the last condition is 5 points, and we have to check exclamatory mark, @ hash and dollar. So let's write the code for this condition. Instead of this, we have to write ch equal to exclamatory mark, or ch equal to @, or ch equal to hash, or ch equal to, okay, it's all dollar, and the points will be 5, and at last we simply return answer. Let's run this code, submit it. Its time complexity is big of n, since we are iterating over the string, and the space complexity is big of n. It is technically big of n because we are using the unordered set. But if we look closer, so there will be few elements in the unordered set, like from A to Z, that will be small character 26, and for the capital letters it will be 26 same, and for the 0 to 9 it will be 10 plus, and there are 4 special character which is 4, and total will be 66. So the maximum unordered set size will be 66. So it can be taken as big of 1. So instead of space complexity big of n, we can say that its space complexity is big of 1. So let's try to optimize it. Let's remove it and take for array for lower of size 26 and initialize it with false, and bool upper of size 26 false, bool digit of size 10 equal to false, and bool special characters which is of size 4 and initialize it with false. And instead of this, remove this, and as we have to iterate over the string now, and we check this same condition, but instead of this we have to do something different in this approach. Let's take a index variable in which we store the ch minus a, which means we get the number, like a will be 0, and if there is c, then the index will be 3, and then we will mark the third index to true if it is false. So we will check if not equal to lower index, then we will mark it and increment the answer. So index equal to true. Format this code and let's write the same conditions for the below. So let's copy and paste, and we have to change it for 2. It will be capital A, instead of lower it will be upper. It will also be upper. Now we write the condition for the 0 to 9. So it will be 0. It will be 9. It will be 0. Instead of upper it will be digit. And we have to increment 3 point in the digit. And code the same for the special character. So it will be, let's copy and paste this condition. And as there are 4 characters only, so we remove this. We remove this code also. And we also remove this code. And check if character equal to exclamatory mark. So we update the index directly 0. Else if ch equal to @ then we update index equal to 1. Else if ch equal to hash, then we update index equal to 2, else if ch equal to dollar, then we update index equal to 3, and as we have to increment the value in the answer also, so we will check if the special index, so we will update the special with true as it is boolean, and update the answer plus equal to 5 points, and we have already written the answer. Let's run this code. Okay, submit it. As you can see the difference between the previous solution and this solution. Previous solution beats 70% people, but this solution beats 94% people, which means this solution is better than previous one. The time complexity is same, big O of n, since we are iterating over the string, and the space complexity will be big O of 1. But in this, there is no hashing, no extra set overhead, and the score is calculated in one loop. And this is the best approach for interviews. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.